know when they came out about the blood? You're not gonna believe what happened to a theater that was showing this movie. No. I'll tell you all about it. Listen to the news in 3 minutes.
Oh God, Johnny, what?
Dude, let's get a close up on that. That was good. You got him good. Looks like a rattler.
Where'd you get that, dude?
It was right there by your front tire.
Oh my God. You can't play like that.
You wanna hold it?
Out here.
You wanna hold it?
We're out in the hills out here and he's playing
You
with
wanna
fake
hold it?
snakes, dude. Oh, get out of here, dude.